I turn on the Bluetooth.
Yep.
Yeah.
Start scanning, and it's come up straight away. Good work.
786.
Okay, so there's two there. The one is the app for the auto recovery.
Okay.
You don't use that at this stage. You use the green feed, and you'll be connecting straight to the green feed unit.
So I click on that, right?
Yep.
Now collecting.
Now when it's connected, yep, like that. It goes like that. So now click on it again, and there it is. So here's your real-time values
Okay.
at the top of the screen. So these are telling you the real-time values, but in raw data. So in fidgets or whatever the units are. So you can see, for instance, your where's what temperature. So for instance, the airflow, right?
Yeah.
So with the fan running, it's running at 48 litres per second. So just turn the fan off and see what happens to the airflow.
So,
Fan goes off,
perfect.
Okay.
the airflow starts to drop.
Drop down.
Okay,
28, 27. Right.
so these are all the sensor values. Every sensor in the machine is here, but all those figures are raw figures.
Yeah, drop.
So they're not, except that one. That's in real. The the airflow is in real value.
Yeah, liter per second.
Yep. So other things you can do, you can say start the fan up again.
Yeah.
Hyper temperature.
Yeah.
It's a sensor for the
Yes.
temperature.
Yep.
Pipe temperature.
Inside the pipe.
And the
pipe.
temperature, that means it's a sensor inside.
The
Box temperature.
How about the box temperature?
The box temperature is in
Here.
in there.
Yeah.
So it has a controller inside that box.
Yeah.
Generally, it's only a heater, but there's a sensor in there that tells you if it overheats. So now try to turn the fan back on again.
Just a moment. It's a CS4 and
Yep.
CO4.
Oxygen component.
It's
There's
a one. That means it's now have the
Methane.
methane.
No methane, no methane.
hardly
one.
any, one, nothing. Nothing.
Right.
That'll go.
Oxy-
That'll be
oxygen.
Yeah. Another
yeah,
CO2.
Yep. So they're all, remember, they're raw values. They're not real values. When we look at the user interface, you'll be seeing them in values that are meaningful.
Yeah.
So if you turn the fan back on again, now if you watch the proximity, you watch the proximity, and I'll bring my hand close to the proximity sensor.
Yes, box. Yeah, it's approximately.
Head
This
prox.
was head
Yeah.
approximately
Yeah, watch
approximately.
again.
Yeah. Oh, increase.
Yeah.
And then you all
Okay, and then decreases.
18 to 13.
So just the last part of it is to look at the feed drop.
Yeah.
So when you're in the experimental stages, the feed drop will be triggered by the ear tag,
okay.
and also take into consideration the proximity. When you're training the animals, it's quite useful to be able to drop some feed manually to attract them. So say your animals are coming in and you want it to be more interested in putting their head in there, you can go press the button, drop feed, and we'll drop feed. Okay, so it's just a useful tool. It's also useful to see when you're doing your maintenance, regular maintenance, and is to, okay, if it doesn't drop any feed, why didn't it drop any feed? Could be this is blocked, the chute is blocked. It could also be this could be empty.
Empty.
So it's just diagnostic tool and a useful tool. And this is, remember, this is only really useful for people doing the maintenance and day-to-day work with the green feed.
So when the kettle come and in and get the fish, it automatic the fish drop down or
Yes.
They have
So-
the ear tag, right?
Yeah.
Ear tag.
Yeah.
So there's certain things that has to be satisfied. Number one, it has to have an RFID tag,
Okay.
which you'll need to get. You have or not?
The ear tag.
Your tags?
not,
You need to get them.
The ear tag from the company or
Yes.
whatever we can.
It has to be it has to be an RFID, a special RFID tag.
Sure. Should be buy. Yeah.
Yeah. So the aerial for the reader is here. Reads the tag and says, yes, you can have feed,
Yeah.
but you have to satisfy something. You have to come close enough for me to drop the feed here. And then it keeps dropping feed according to your settings for drop interval and drop frequency until that expires. So say you've set the thing to feed the animal every 30 seconds, and I want to have a feed session that so the feed drops are 15 seconds apart and they get 8 drops. Right? When that's finished, the green feed will not feed that animal anymore until the next feeding session becomes available.
And in here we can take the complete fish. But how about the raw fish feed?
No.
Cannot.
Only
Has-
for hell.
Has to be less than 7 millimeters in diameter. If it's any bigger than that, it won't flow through the system properly. So we don't recommend anything above 7 millimeters diameter.
But still, for the kettle command, we use the glass. We have to make the
Small.
pellets.
Pellet, you have to have pellets. Yep. So ear tags, yes. Without ear tags, doesn't work. Has to have the right size pellets. I will send you something shortly about those sort of things. Yeah. Okay.
And,
Yeah.
the question I asked you before is that the sample is air review if the animal will have the air, the air,
Yep.
methane,
Yep.
here, and the bum will bum the air.
That's right. So if you feel that, you'll feel airflow.
Yeah.
The airflow.
It's going through there. See?
But that's by fan.
That's by fan.
Yeah.
So that fan is pulling air through here.
Oh, it's the bum will
Yeah,
get the air.
so
and
is it- So that the fan is running in a way that's
Yeah.
pushing air out. Actually, I should have done that. I'll later on. I'll do that. I'll put
It's
something
just a
on
plastic and-
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can see in here.
Yeah.
You
Piece
can
of-
you can throw.
a piece of paper. I
Yeah,
usually put a
paper.
piece of paper, and you can see the airflow.
Yeah.
So I think we're. And it'll go up over 40.
Yeah, 40 liters per
40,
second.
48 per second.
48.
It's pretty good.
Yeah. The pump is
Yeah.
work well.
Yeah.
And then we can see also here.
Yeah. They should be up to the line.
Exactly. Up to the line.
Yeah,
I
okay.
check it.
So that tells me that the sample pumps, which are down in the electronics box, are working properly. To download everyone to download the app, and then we'll have an exercise where you come and use the app.